Ako natutuwa ako na mababait yung mga bata. They're very easy to talk to, they're very easy to get along with, they're very easy to work with. Natutuwa ako na nakikita ko yung interest nila to better themselves dun sa craft, dun sa pag-arte, tsaka yung dedication nila. Wala silang reklamo, tatapusin nila yung trabaho. Tsaka ang masaya sa set na 'to, walang stariray, walang gano'n, walang padiba. Siguro kung may mashe-share ako sa kanila is it's that, this is one of the most trying industries. Kasi 'pag bago, maingay, 'di ba? Kasi bago, ganyan, ta's pinapakilala, ganyan. And then there will come a time na medyo magbabagal ng konti or magka-quiet down ng konti, and for people who are set on this, yung nasa puso talaga nilang gusto nilang magpatuloy ng magpatuloy, that can be very trying and that can be very challenging. So, ang sa akin lang, you just continue. You just continue learning, observing, creating, telling stories, and don't ever sell yourself short. Uh, in many ways, do not compromise your beliefs and your morals for anything, and do not demean yourself in any way. Huwag mong tatawaran yung sarili mong kakayahan. If it's a challenge, then go for it. If it's parang a compromise of sorts na parang hindi, kailangan ko lang itong gawin, huwag mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot. Kasi pag nasa puso mo at gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, then the right kind of projects will always come to you, and the right people will always work with you. So yan, huwag kayong matakot of anything. Just apply yourself and be truthful. Yun lang.